Hello, today I would like to present you this absolutely beautiful device from Ulanzi that is battery operated camera cooling fan. It is cherry on top on my project that allow me to record on my Sony ZV-1 in the highest quality, basically without any limitation. The only limitation is the memory card size. And first part is of course my V-Lock battery with dummy battery adapter that you can check on my other videos. But after resolving power issue, I've got another one, and that was camera overheating, so I was totally unable to get like over 1 hour in the highest quality video settings in the 4K, and this device totally resolved that problem, and I love it. The device itself is extremely simple but beautifully manufactured from metal, and yes, everything that you see here is metal, even that grill. Here we've got a tiny OLED screen that is going to be displaying our battery. The gear that is going to be telling how speed our fan is blowing. As you can see, we can change the gear. Plus on bottom we've got camera body temp sensor, and yes, it is absolutely beautiful, and from our electronic point of view the company made something amazing, because you've got a tiny dot here and it is an infrared sensor, so it's actually measuring the body of your camera without touching it. Absolutely beautiful. I would never think the company will go and do it like this. Absolutely beautiful. Attaching infrared sensor to tiny fan. Yeah, this is a good quality. Here you've got the user manual in English, just in case you would like to take a look, then please go ahead. The only modification that you have to do to your Sony ZV-1 is applying that glossy plastic film that is self-adhering, and here I remove it, and that's because your Sony ZV-1 got the texture, and you just apply it here, and now we've got that glossy surface that's going to be catched by those suction cups, and basically that's all. And if you want to remove it and put camera into storage, then you just slide it off and you close it down, and basically no modification was made, and you can always peel it off and they give you a spare one. At the very beginning I was extremely disappointed, and that's because I attach it like this, I leave it running, and like over 1.5 hours it detached from the body, and I was extremely sad. I tried again. It also disconnected. I was even thinking in applying like a 3M double-sided tape, but then I started thinking and I figured out the solution. So here we've got a petroleum jelly, and I'm not going to sell you a VPN. We are just going to dab our finger, and we are going to add a little bit into those. Science behind it is that if we are going to get any imperfection around those suction cups, then the air will slowly seeping up inside and making it disconnect. If we apply the petroleum jelly, it will fill those holes and create absolutely beautiful seal. And basically nothing changed. You just press it like this, and now it's holding, and it's holding very strong. And to detach it, you do not need to pull it like this. You just can slide it like that without any effort, and the only thing that you need to do is to clean it up. So absolutely do not go with a route of cleaning it with isopropyl alcohol. Just add a little bit of grease and you are going to get a perfect effect. And I tested it. It lasts over 3 hours. And yeah, this is the best tip I can give you. Now we are going to perform small science experiment. We are going to compare how long I can record on that Sony ZV-1 with and without this fan at 4K 100 megabits per second. I've got 128 gigabytes memory card, so we are limited to like 2.5 hours. And we are going to attach our tripod. We've got our dummy battery, we've got unlimited power, and we are going to make test recording without fan and with fan, and we are going to compare our results. As you were able to see, our memory card got full, and from what I see on the temp meter, we were constantly hovering around 31 Celsius degree, and the temp wasn't rising. So I would put assumption that we totally get rid of our overheating issue by using that device, and we are only limited by our memory card and our power capacity. So in my personal opinion, this is absolutely beautiful win. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you find it interesting. See you next time, and bye bye.